Hi, I'm Alex. After seeing all the views and positive comments I have got on the NASA Space Wrench video, I thought it was time to make another video where I'm showing internal mechanisms. And if you not have seen the video where I show the NASA Space Wrench, there will be a link down in the description to it. But this time I'm going to print adjustable wrench, which is another common way to show internal workings in a 3D printed part. And if some of you are curious, adjustable wrench in Danish is called en skiftenøgle. But Danish aside, let's get started. And here you have the STL file. Unfortunately enough, I was not able to find the original file or the user that has uploaded it on Thingiverse. But what I like about this model in comparison to all the other models you can find is that it looks a bit more like a real adjustable wrench instead of the small stubby ones that you can find on the internet. And the other thing I like about this is that it have internal supports, so that you do not need to print it with supports, because it have these 4 small black blocks that you, after you have printed, just pull it out. And now let's just take a look on the internal workings. I'm just going to take a block and stretch it out over the model. Then I'm going to make it to a hole and group them together. That was a bit too high. I'm just going to sink the block down a bit. Let's just try to group them together again, like that. So this time you can see the teeth on the jaw that move, and also on the small drum that you are turning. You can also see that the little drum is held in by the triangular shapes on the ends. There are just some downsides to using these methods. If you orient the print like this, the teeth on the bottom have a really small touching area onto the bed, so they are most likely to fall over. That means that you need to print this model with a raft, as you can see I do in the video. But now you have seen the internal workings, let's just get printing. And here you have the final part. You can see the lines left out from the raft that I used. I also took the time to take a permanent marker and write the letters so they stand out. I also took some pliers and removed the point of plastic that is here and here. And to get it working, I just took a small hobby knife and ran it along the perimeter inside here to slice off the small bits of plastic that adhere to the jaw. After doing that, you can see now your jaw works pretty good. There's just so if you pull up the jaw, you can pull it out and it does not catch the teeth, but that is not a big of a problem. So that was the build for today. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any comments, write them down and I'll try to answer them better.